Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your boy Emmanuel and welcome back to yet another video from me. Today we're gonna look at a screen recorder called ESA screen recorder, and without any further ado, let's get started. As you can see, I'm on the Google search page here. I'm gonna search for ESA screen recorder and hit enter. There you go. This is the website for is as record experts. So I'm just gonna click here to enter the site. There you go. This is the website for ESA's screen recorder, and it is more of a premium version. So in the website they promote the premium version of the recorder, and the website is pretty well designed. And we've got this video recorder for actually recording online meetings. We get to record video tutorials, gameplay highlights, and we can directly post it to our YouTube. We can also record our presentations, and we could set up a streaming as well. Alright, so it is a pretty good screen recorder. We've got the free version and the pro version. When you talk about the pricing, so we've got 1 minute of free recording in the free version, but in the pro version we've got unlimited screen recording. Playing time for each recording is again 1 minute in the free version and unlimited in the pro version. We can schedule, edit the recordings, and extract audio files separately, and can add an introduction and outro. And also we could have 24/7 technical support on the pro version. But the free version has got nothing. But if you look at the pricing also, it's on the low side. So it's $95 for the pro version. So I think it's good. So I'm gonna quickly hover over to the features area here. Again, it's just a scroll option. So it says that you can record audios, record the screen, custom area, and then you can capture webcams, and you can actually set up the schedule for actually recording the videos. And then we've got different file formats of the recording output as well. Alright, so when I go to the comparison area here, we can compare the free and pro version. Again, it's just a scroll option. So I think it's okay for now. So I'm just gonna click on the free trial here, and I'm gonna download the .exe file. There you go. And I'm gonna click on the .exe file, and I'm just gonna click on install here to actually install the EasyOS recording software. There you go. The recorder has been downloaded. I can just click on start now to start the recording. There you go. We've got the recording hotkey conflicts here, F9 and F10. Actually, we could change it here, or we could change it in the settings. So I'll just change it later when I show you the settings. So there you go. This is the UI of EasyOS recorder. There we have an option to choose the full screen and then a particular region. If I click the region, then I get to select the region. All I'm going to do is press on escape. When I come back to the full screen option here, the full screen is selected by default. And if you have multiple displays, you can actually select it over here to record multiple displays, which is a fantastic feature, you guys. And as you can see here, we have an option to auto split and auto stop, which is a new feature, which is a fresh feature in this recorder, and you can actually schedule the recording. Alright, since we are using the free version, it's not gonna be much helpful. But here, if you click on the sound tab here, we can actually select the system sound and the microphone as well. So to select that, I'm just gonna select record system sound, and I'm gonna, in the microphone options, I'm gonna choose record my microphone, and there you go. The microphone recording is being shown live here. Alright, which is fantastic, you guys. When you have to take a screenshot, you can just click on the camera icon here to actually take a screenshot. There you go, the screenshot has been recorded and saved in our file folder here. Alright, I'll just click on back here to start the screen recording. When it comes to the game option here, we can just select the game over here. As you can see, we are doing multiple screens here. This is just a window. I know in case if you have a game running, you can just select the game window and click OK. So in the game process, it's just a window and this is the process. We can either choose any of these options to start. Right now I'm going to click on cancel. Alright, so when I click on the down arrow here I can set up the webcam. So if I click on the webcam, there you go guys, my webcam is enabled. So I can just select the camera of my webcam, and I can choose the sound, and also I can choose the resolution here as well. Alright, if I need to rotate the orientation of the webcam, I can do this here as well, and I can do a rotation, which is fantastic, you guys. So I think this is better compared to this is better. Alright, in case if I need a background picture, I can have it here as well. Alright, if I want to enable a background for my webcam here, all I have to do is set up a Chrome cutout, and as you can see, there is a background enabled. And in case if I want to set up a background for myself, I can just choose a background for my video, but it's little, I've not set up the background very well, you guys, so it just doesn't work out very well. But if I do the lighting well, and if I have a perfect green screen at the background, I can actually set up the background image as well for my webcam feed, which is a fantastic feature, you guys. Alright, for now I'm just disable this option because it doesn't look nice. Okay, so that's it, you guys. I can just close it here, and here I can enable the webcam. So my webcam feed has been included at the bottom. I can actually change the position of the webcam feed where it must show, and here as you can see, there is a little settings option where you can again come to the settings and can just click OK. That's it, guys. This is the UI of EOS screen recorder, and in case if you need to upgrade to a full version, you can just click here and buy the full version as well. When it comes to streaming, I prefer PepperCloud, you guys, because there are a lot of options where you could set up multiple streaming options here from different sources, and then add multiple cameras, and then include your speakers as well. And in case if you want to do a live broadcast, you can actually start recording and then do the live streaming as well. And also there is an option to actually split the videos into 2 and 3 screens over here, and we could set up multiple screens for our streaming as well. This is a fantastic feature with PepperCloud, you guys. I think this works out pretty well for me. And also here is an option to actually create a profile and title, and you can actually set up your profile and title with your image on the bottom of your streaming, which is fantastic option from PepperCloud, you guys. Also there is an interesting feature to actually share the local video from your computer, which is fantastic feature from PepperCloud, you guys. So I suggest you try PepperCloud, you guys. I've included the link in the description. Please try it out and let me know. Alright, let's start the recording. Before that, I'm gonna click on the options here, and as you can see here, we can upgrade the full version and activate Rec Experts, which is the software, and we can get online help, technical support and stuff like that. Nothing much. And when I click on the settings here, we've got quite a few settings here. We can actually choose the file path where the output has to be rendered. And when it comes to video options, you can set up the video output format, and then the frame rate here. Also, you can include extra audio files here. When it comes to audio, you could get the output format of the audio, and then bitrate. You could actually set up the bitrate here, and the sampling rate here as well. When it comes to the recording, we can set up countdown to 3 seconds or more seconds, depends on the user. And you can actually enable a recording promote tone, so you gives you out a tone. It gives out a tone when you start the recording. And then we can move the recording region while capturing, which is a fantastic feature, guys. Not much recording softwares allow changing the recording region while capturing. Also, we can show the recording boundary, which is here. We can just enable this or disable this, and the recording boundary just disappears. And we can set up a floating toolbar, which is here, and we can also auto hide the taskbar while we are recording our videos. So this is pretty fantastic, useful feature for those who do presentation recordings. And when it comes to hotkeys, as I said, there is a conflict. We can actually change these keys to F5 and F7 to actually solve the conflict. Also, when it comes to mouse, we can show mouse cursor. We can actually cannot set up the recording the mouse clicks to any colors, and we cannot create any overlays of the mouse clicks, which is a bummer, guys. When it comes to game, here we can actually set up overlay information. We can set up the frame rate recording for the game, and also we could show the recording duration and enable hotkeys in the game recording as well. When it comes to start, we can actually set up this screen recorder to launch at startup and always run as administrator, which is a fantastic feature, guys. And when I click on the more options, it just lets me to exit the program. So I'm just gonna quickly cancel this and start the recording. So I'm just gonna click on the record button. There you go. The recording has started, you guys. And as you can see, we got a little sound where the recording has actually started. And as you can see here, we've got a panel over here to actually control the recording. So if I click on the pause button here, the recording is passed, and if I play the button here, the recording is played. And as you can see, when I hover over to this tab, this tab just pans, and here we've got an option to annotate. I'm just gonna quickly show the annotations. There you go. We can draw structures, we can have a pencil drawing, or we can undo it, we can erase it, and we can delete. In case we wanted to add text, we can do it here, and we can also create a whiteboard for our recording as well. Here is an option to choose the brush sizes. This is a fantastic feature, guys. Nice. So I'm just gonna click on stop here, because the maximum allowed limit is 1 minute. So see, as you can see, we have recorded successfully, but just have to buy the full version. So all I have to do is click on save 1 minute, and there you go. We've got the output set to 1 minute, and here is a video here as well. So here we have got an option to edit the videos. We can actually trim the videos, do some kind of editing only if we upgrade the screen recorder. So I'm just going to quickly close this. There you go, guys. This is a pretty simple version of the recording. We can just record up to 1 minute, and let's check out the output here by clicking the play button. You guys, and as you can see, we got a little sound where the recording has actually started, and the recording output is fantastic, guys. The video quality is fantastic, and I really like this screen recorder. And for those who want to record their screen professionally but do it offline, EaseUS screen recorder would be a fantastic option to go for. So that is it from me today, guys. Until I see you guys in the next video, it's bye bye from Emmanuel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you like my videos, please subscribe and look out for the other videos that I'm gonna post. Thank you for watching.